Hello my friends, I welcome you all to the Creative Thinkers Hub channel. Today we are going to be learning how to design a baby product ad. For that, first we are going to go to leonardo.ai and put this prompt: a 6-month-old baby, smiling, beautiful white flawless skin, beautiful blue eyes, short black hair, perfect lip, perfect ears, wearing baby pink clothes on upper body, hands and fingers. Very important to put hands and fingers, else you get distorted hands and fingers. Okay, wow, this is nice. Okay, so let's download this one. And once we are done with that, okay, so baby boy. So let's now talk at baby boy, blue clothes and 1 year old, smiling, crying. Let's say crying. Okay. I don't know why it's giving me an error on my code. Okay. So these are certain occasions where they might even act funny. Let's generate what they would want us to say. Okay. So we take the first option and we generate it. Again, it's giving an error. Something that they have only said they're giving an error. Never mind. Let's go to pixels.com and we look at baby boy images. Okay, this one is also good. We downloaded is by Pixabay. Okay, so this is free to download and let's put baby girl. Now we scroll. Hey, these two are good. Okay, let's download this. This looks good. And this is again by Pixabay. Great. Now we go to imagine.art. Today doesn't look like a very good day. Okay, till 12 till 5 is going to be under. Okay, this is giving me something very weird once I put baby boy. All of them are very animated. Okay, I want natural pictures. So we go to another software. We just write baby boy and generate here. Let's see what we get. Okay, so we are kind of refreshing what we have written. Okay, we come here and say 1 year old baby with no cap, delicately and upper. Okay, let's put no cap here, delete it from here and generate. It's giving the error all over again. Okay, let's do one thing. Ye intertwine, let's remove intertwined and all. And let's see. See, now it's generating. So there are certain words that AI doesn't understand. So you'll have to remove those. Okay, this is great. See, this is a nice image. The finger looks a little cut, the index finger. Never mind. Let's try no background. Okay, it's cutting the shoulder only of the baby. Never mind. We'll just save it as it is. Now, are we happy? No, we are not happy. Let's go to runway. Let's see what runway can generate. Okay, generate images and we come to text to image and this prompt that is there, we copy it and we paste it here and say I want two outputs of 720 and portrait. Let's see what it generates. Wow, this is nice. Okay, the baby looks shocked. Now let's play with it a little more. Okay, now let's say that I want comic art. Okay, let's see what it makes. And beautiful. Okay, photography and beautiful. We want more realistic images, full upper body. And let's see what. Oh my God, this makes things worse. These kids have two mouths and two noses, and one ear is bigger than the other. Okay, so we say good set of teeth, nice pink tongue, let's see what it does. 6 month old, we'll change it and we say, look at it. Okay, these are good, but again, they look very plastic. Let's generate this once more. Again, we have two mouths. So from all these, we have got only this one image, which is a little decent, and we download that. Okay, we just ignore all of them and we just download one. Now let's go into CorelDraw and start our designing. So we take a B-spline tool. Okay, now there's a reason why I want to take B-spline tool for this, and you will realize very soon why. This could be made with our Bezier tool, but this is the benefit of B-spline. Okay, that you could skew it and change it. Let's say shocking sale and change the font to avant-garde, but not this one. We change it demi, avant-garde demi semi bold, and we put it here. Okay, and up to 60% off. We take this, center align it, and we give this the font Banco. Okay, this is a nice good font, and we just put it here. Now this is what we are thinking. We just work according to that. Okay, now what we'll do, we'll first take the twins. They look shocked. So our whole idea is shocking sale. Okay, so we take this and we increase the size. Okay, and let's increase. See, now this would be a lot of trouble if we were using Bezier, but with B-spline this becomes very easy. That's the reason why B-spline is used. Okay, we put a 60% sale here, angle it a little, let it be. Okay, we put it up. Fine. And our shocking sale here. Fine. Once that is done, we zoom in here and we give this baby type colors to each and every alphabet. Use very nice pastel colors because that's going to work in your benefit, and you will realize why I'm saying that. Okay, once done, select the give it an outline of 1.5 point white. Okay, and rounded, and CE both the top and the bottom. Control shift page down, sorry, control page down, and give it a kerning. So it's giving it a triple shadow. That is the main text, the white, and then the black. Now we put an exclamation mark, and most importantly, we save the artwork. Okay, please keep saving your artwork. It's very important. Otherwise, it might be a heartburn if the software decides to crash before you complete. Okay, now we use our Bezier tool to create these small string type things. Let it be like a party type outlook. Yeah, we copy paste this. First, we give it a color orange and give it a good thick outline, and copy paste this and just place it here. Okay, now we take a star, give it 5 sides, and copy, give it a color first. Let's say this pink, baby pink, and we work around this. Okay, now once we are done putting our stars everywhere, uh, let's put our lorem ipsum. Now, why are we putting lorem ipsum? This is what we will be explaining the sale is about. That it kind of uses these kind of, you can buy this kind of stuff here, these are the rules and regulations and etc of the sale. So that could be your text that you would place here. Okay. And then we take our envelope tool and just curve this to the curve of the image. Okay. Now we take a rectangle tool, put it here, size it to 25 by 130. Okay, you will see it even in their eyes. And we take our font yesteryears. Move the star, take our font yesteryear, and we center align it to the shocking sale. So we can see the shock even in their eyes, you know. Can you see it? So we take 130. No, 7 is a little too sharp. 125 is good. And we give it a baby blue color. Okay. Additional 5% on purchase of 2,500. Sorry, client decides 3,000. Okay. He doesn't want to give the discount on very soon. Now we align everything and we put a star. So conditions applied. Valid only on select credit cards. Okay, it's not going to be all throughout. In cash, you won't get that discount. So that's where you reduce the font and put these fine lines here. Put the star here and select this and make it bold because you want 5% to be highlighted. Okay, let this be a 20 point and this be a 10. Great. Okay, now what we do, we take a star again and give it 12 sides. Make a normal star, make it 12 sides. Okay, and delete this and put this here. So we are going to give it a proper call out. Work on the star, align it, and give it this baby blue or turquoise green, more over whatever you may call it. Okay, give it 30 point font size and white copy paste. So you are having now white with black background and reduce the star so that you're not taking up a lot of space. Great. So our one layout is done. Okay. Now select all this and power click it. Now we select multi-page, increase the font size, and once kind of that is done, duplicate the page, copy layers and their contents and duplicate it, delete all this, move this here, and we take a super shocked boy. Okay, we take his image flat here. Oh, I think it's a little too big. Let it be here. Yeah, this is good. Okay, and this we align to the left. Okay, can you see it in his eyes? Yes, I can. Okay, he's also shocked. So shift page up and align this. Yeah, this is good. Put this here. The spaghetti that we have created. Delete this, make another one, copy paste the text first and paste it here. So this is going to be square like the image. Now to align all this, take a rectangle, a thin rectangle, place it here between the edge of the page and the and center align everything to this. Okay, group and left align it. And now what we'll do, move the spaghetti a little. So what are we doing here? We are playing with our negative space. Okay, it's very important. We learned in our elements of design and So the previous video we learned all that. We align this also to this and increase this to, let's say, 30. Okay. And now we go to all the pages and we do the same here also. Let's select these. Okay. Now what we are doing here, quickly let's come here and see which elements of design we are using. Are we using point? No. Line? Yes. We're using the line, the spaghetti in a very subtle way to attract attention. Are we using shape? Yes. Okay. The call out, the stars, all that is shape. Are we using form? No. Are we using value and tone? Yes. The shadow effects that we are creating, we are using value and tone. In texture, are we using texture? Yes. The multiple colors that we are putting to our fonts in both the posters, that is giving a baby type texture to the whole thing, and therefore it gives you that feel. Are we using color? Yes. So the texture and the color both are taken care of. So it gives a baby type feel. Are we using space? Yes, very widely. We are using space very widely. So because the spacing towards the title, the body, and this is taken care of. The call out. Principles of design. Are we using alignment? Yes. Everything is left aligned. Okay. Once that is, if you realize that it's left aligned, and then over here everything is right aligned. Are we using balance? Yes, we are using cross balance, where the top, uh, what we call the title, is aligned by the rest. Are we using color? Yes, we are using color also in this. Are we using white space? Yes, we are using white space also, because the separation and the stars and the noodle are allowing you to move around that space. Movement, yes, we are using movement also, so that it moves from uh, the title to the image to the call out, that is 60% off. Okay, variety, yes, we have made two different samples, so let's call it variety 2. Okay, hierarchy and proportion, obviously. Okay, because title, this that our body takes, and then last the discount structure, additional discount, and contrast and emphasis, uh, kind of. Okay, repetition and pattern, yes, our stars are repetition and pattern. Our baby blue color that we are using for the call out, that is the up to 40% and the discount, and even a little bit in the text, there is the repetition. So it's giving that baby blue feel all throughout. Okay, so that's what we are using in our presentation. Okay, so my friends, if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and do not forget to share, because only sharing increases knowledge. Thank you.